India, total aircraft, 2,296. Japan, total aircraft, 1,459. India, fighter aircraft, 606. Japan, fighter aircraft, 217. India, dedicated attack aircraft, 130. Japan, dedicated attack aircraft, 36. India, transports aircraft, 264. Japan, transports aircraft, 56. India, trainers aircraft, 351. Japan, trainers aircraft, 420. India, special mission aircraft, 70. Japan, special mission aircraft, 145. India, aerial tankers, 6. Japan, aerial tankers, 8. India, helicopters, 869. Japan, helicopters, 577. India, attack helicopters, 40. Japan, attack helicopters, 119.
Please share this video.
India, tank strength, 4,614. Japan, tank strength, 518. India, armored vehicles, 151,248. Japan, armored vehicles, 37,662. India, self-propelled artillery, 140. Japan, self-propelled artillery, 173. India, towed artillery, 3,243. Japan, towed artillery, 480. India, mobile rocket projectors, 702. Japan, mobile rocket projectors, 54. India, Navy fleet strength, 294. Japan, Navy fleet strength, 155. India, aircraft carriers, 2. Japan, aircraft carriers, 0. India, helicopter carriers, 0. Japan, helicopter carriers, 4. India, submarines, 18. Japan, submarines, 23. India, destroyers, 12. Japan, destroyers, 36. India, frigates, 12. Japan, frigates, 4. India, corvettes, 18. Japan, corvettes, 6. India, patrol vessels, 137. Japan, patrol vessels, 6. India, mine warfare, 0. Japan, mine warfare, 22. India, total population, 1,399,179,585. Japan, total population, 123,719,238. India, reaching military age annually, 23,786,053. Japan, reaching military age annually, 1,113,473. India, active personnel, 1,455,550. Japan, active personnel, 247,150. India, reserve personnel, 1,155,000. Japan, reserve personnel, 56,000. India, paramilitary forces, 2,527,000. Japan, paramilitary forces, 25,000.
India, defense budget, $74 billion. Japan, defense budget, $53 billion. India, external debt, $555,388 million. Japan, external debt, $4,254,271 million.
India, square land area, 3,287,263 kilometers. Japan, square land area, 377,915 kilometers.
Please follow, like, share, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel.